In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoice and quote settings in Xero Invoices. Navigating and customizing your Xero account to match your business needs is essential for seamless operations, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. To get started, look towards the top of your Xero dashboard. You'll see a menu bar, and from there, click on the option labeled Sales. Doing this will open a drop-down menu. Now, from the options presented, go ahead and select Sales Settings. This step takes you to a page where all the magic happens, allowing you to shape the heart of your invoicing processes. As you enter the sales settings, the next move is to click on Invoice Settings. This section may feel like you've struck a gold mine for business organization, as it offers you a wide array of customization options designed around your invoices and quotes. Here, you are not just able to access the default settings. You can manage and tailor these settings to meet your specific business requirements. Within Invoice Settings, delve into the templates for invoices and quotes. Whether you desire a minimalist look or a more detailed presentation, you can tweak them according to your brand's aesthetic and practical needs. Imagine this as an opportunity to infuse your brand personality into each document you send to clients, creating a professional and consistent look that speaks volumes about your business's identity. Now, onto the default settings. These form the backbone of your sales operations. They dictate how your invoices behave, from currency choices to due dates and everything in between. Spend a bit of time here, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with the way you intend to operate. Xero also allows you to integrate payment services, making your invoicing process more efficient for both you and your clients. By connecting popular services, clients can easily make payments directly through the invoice, accelerating your cash flow and enhancing their user experience. A win-win. Last, but certainly not the least, don't overlook setting up reminders. This feature helps ensure you receive timely payments by automatically nudging clients about pending dues. It's like having a personal assistant keeping tabs on your invoices, giving you peace of mind and reducing the hassle of accounts follow-ups. And that's all there is to it. You've explored the landscape of invoice and quote settings within Xero, making your business operations that much smoother and tailored to your liking. Remember, taking the time to configure these settings today can save you tremendous amounts of time down the line. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps you navigate your Xero account with greater confidence and efficiency.